Hi everyone, welcome to week 5. So this week we are going to be drafting the second part of the portfolio project, which is the predictive memo. So we're dealing with that same fact pattern again. It's Mrs. Henderson and the incident where she fell on the black ice at an office mart. To recap, the first part of the portfolio project, we drafted 20 questions for the client interview. And then last week we had our midterm where we drafted the summons and complaint to begin the lawsuit. Now we are drafting a predictive memo. So basically a predictive memo is just a memo where you are objectively explaining if we have a good case or not. We're going to take the facts that were given to us and apply those facts to the law. And the law that we're dealing with is that same handout that had where you chose a state. You could choose between New York, Wisconsin, or Virginia, and you had those 3 cases. We're working with those again, and that's the only research that you need. You do not need to do any external research. So you're going to go through those cases, and you're going to objectively apply the law that's set forth in those cases to Mrs. Henderson's case. Again, I want to really stress that you are not arguing a particular point. You are not trying to persuade anybody of anything. This is not going to a judge. You are just objectively applying the law to the facts, and that's it. You want to come up with an answer to if you have a good case or not, if the merits of this case are valid. And so I'd like you to format it based on, I'd like you to format it according to the instructions here. I'm sorry, I don't know if you can see there you go. And so basically you want the statement of facts, and that is just restating the information that you had in the instructions, specifically in the emails, the emails that were in the fact pattern. And then you're going to come up with a question presented, and that's just basically the big picture question of what we're trying to figure out here. And then just a short 1-sentence answer. And then the meat of it is your analysis, and this is where you are going to apply the law to the facts. And again, no external research, just the 3 cases that were given to you, depending on which state you chose. And then finally, a short conclusion, kind of wrapping everything up. My suggestion would be to use headings. I think headings are so important in a memo because if a busy attorney or busy client just wants to get a quick answer, they can, go through the memo quickly, see your bolded headings, and know where to find it. And that's also why we do a short answer for that same reason. If you have a busy attorney or client that just wants to know where you came out, they can just look at the short answer, and then afterwards they can go through and read your analysis where you actually cite the cases and explain your reasoning. And so that's it. I'm expecting it to be about 500 words. Just go through the cases, just go through the cases in the research carefully to make sure that you're including all the relevant information, and just do the best that you can. I really look forward to reading these, and if you have any questions as you draft, please reach out to me. Thank you.